Hi and welcome to this tutorial about Simutrans. Today's topic is this power plant which use crude oil to produce electricity. This power plant have a lot of supplier. Here is the power plant on the map, down at the corner, and the first supplier is this platform. And if I move slightly out of the way, you can see it there. Rig number 5. We have a pump down here. But that not produce enough. We have a field here which not are used at the moment, but it's quite a way and a lot of other track and road between. So the best alternative is this rig or platform. So my plan is boat to a harbor and after that railroad down to the power plant. This is the harbor. There the crude oil will come in and the train will load up. Further up here I build a depot and this will be the solution at the power plant. And I leave space here for the town to grow out to the truck. I have also prepared to connect the power plant to the main power grid. And here we have a working transporting system in action. And the boat coming here and loading up to the dock. And the train sitting and waiting for the load. And another train coming down here. And up at the power plant, which actually are uphill, they produce electricity. We can see here that they use 100% of available electricity. So we should now connect the power plant to the main power grid. And start the time. And they still use 100% of available electricity. So the power plant don't solve the problem with too little electricity, but it makes the problem less problematic. So the only thing I can do now is wait for more power plant to be built. That was everything I have to show you. Thanks for watching and a special thanks to all subscribers. Have a nice day. In the next episode we take a look on passenger service. Thank you for your time.